Hey guys! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Snapchat. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Snapchat app. Tap the chat icon. Tap and hold on a friend's name. Tap Manage Friendship. Then select Block. A confirmation box will pop up after tapping Block. Tap on it to confirm that you want to block that person. When you block someone on Snapchat, they can't know that immediately since Snapchat doesn't send a notification that they have been blocked. However, over time, they come to know due to changes in your activity on Snapchat. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.